Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to tonight's session of Ask Zak. And tonight we're going to speak about something very interesting, and that is rearing your broilers a week earlier. That means getting them to market a week earlier. And that has got a lot of, advantages for you as a farmer, because if you can save a week's feed, we're talking about a lot of money for you. So at the end of the day, how do we do it? Now, we've got a few steps that we need to have in place. First and foremost is your management. Your temperature management must be spot on. Remember, we don't want big temperature fluctuations in your poultry house. We always say constant temperature gives constant growth. The next one, of course, is the equipment. Enough feeding equipment. We don't want unnecessary competition amongst our chickens. We want them all to get to the feed and not get uneven growth amongst the animals. And the last but not least is, of course, your curtains. Those curtains on the sides that we lower or raise to ensure good airflow, good temperature, and of course, good quality growth for your animals. So if you've got these things in place, then you can start looking at marketing your chickens a week earlier. But you can't do it without the correct feed. Now, the feed that we're going to use is the Alzu Super range. Now, we've got the Super and the Standard range. The protein content, the mineral content is basically the same. But with our Super, we're looking at a more dense feed. It's more highly absorbable. So when the animal eats it, it can utilize much more of that feed and put it over into growth. So very important. For the first 21 days, you want to put those chicks on Super Starter. Now, the starter is the highest protein content. It puts in those necessary building blocks for that animal to lay the foundation for proper good growth. And remember, we always leave the lights on 24/7 for the first 5 days to a week to ensure the animals eat. Remember, if we switch off the lights, the chickens stop eating, and we want to push their growth in that first week. Now, for more information about all these things, pop into your nearest Alzu one-stop shop. We've got the broiler booklet with all the guidelines where you can measure yourself. And of course, you can get the number of your nearest technical advisor that can give you on-farm technical advice. So till next week, same time, same place. Have a good evening.